Are you struggling to launch campaigns fast? With our new customized templates at We Got You CRM, we make campaign creation a breeze. I'm going to walk you through real quick on how to tailor emails, landing pages, and more to fit your brand without starting from scratch. So let's dive in real quick on what this is. So we're going to walk through on the marketing side. So we do have templates ready to go, part of your plan with We Got You CRM. So if we go into emails, we're going to go ahead and create a campaign. And then here is all of the templates ready to go right now. So you need inspiration, or if it's a holiday one, go for and take a look at it there. You can see with the holidays, we can just select holidays. And again, you don't need to create it. We can just start and view it. We'll continue. We'll add the template, set up the color palette, and then we can just change logos and the actual copy itself within a matter of moments. We can go ahead and change here. Once we've added the changes to the actual content on the newsletter, what we can do is we can go ahead and send and schedule right now. So no need to waste time. We also have spam score on here too. So you can check and see where the spam score is on the content and copy, just in case if you need to go and make changes to that. So we're going to go ahead and schedule this. We'll say for tomorrow, we're going to send it from our sender email. We're going to choose the recipients that are in our smart list. We're going to track clicks, UTM tracking. We're going to add tags and resend email if it's unopened. We'll say 1 day, 1 hour, and we're going to resend the exact same subject line. And now all that we need to do is we're going to go ahead and save this, review, and send. And that's going to be on the email builder side. You'll see the draft set in here ready to go. We can make a clone of this, and we can also create a folder with this, say holiday or whatever that may be. Now, let's say that you're not looking for that email. It's going to be more on the landing page side. So on ours, what we can do is we'll go to sites, and we're going to create a brand new funnel. So we have 3 different options. You can create it from blank, and we do that for you on our Manage For You plans, where we create your funnel for you from scratch. But you can also do the funnel AI, which is an amazing feature that really creates exactly what you're looking for. Or if you want to go from the templates, you can go ahead and create it from the templates. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to look through here, and I want to do more of a checkout, right? So let's say that working with a brand sells a specific product. We'll take a look at this. And again, old content, old design. We're just looking for kind of the base to get us going with this. I like this design. I like this template. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add it as a template. We'll give it a few moments, and we are in. So we can go ahead and change lines right here. If we don't like that, or we want to change and delete, we can go ahead. We can add our logos right in here. We'll add that from our media storage. So that'll be quick drop. And the content itself, we go ahead and change the content. Now the AI funnel, what it will do is it will pre-fill a lot of this stuff in for you, which makes things really quick and easy. But what we can do right now, this is the bare bones of it, is ready to go and use. We're not going to publish it right now, but wanted to show how fast that looks like. And you can see the biggest things I want to show on here is the funnel steps. So we got the main page right here, and then we got our thank you page. Now, the thank you page is done after someone takes payment, but let's say that we want to create a variation and A/B test this a little bit further, especially if you're having a lot of traffic come in there. So what we can do is we can run a split test. And on that split test, we can check different variations of the main landing page or other specific steps in the funnel to see what is working and what's not. Maybe you want to have 50% of traffic go to this variation and 50% go to this, or whatever your percentage may be. You'll see some great metrics at this point. And then the great thing on the stats, you'll see page views, opt-ins, sales, and earnings on page. And of course, this all filters back into the dashboard that will give you real-time stats on where everything looks from the funnel standpoint. And it'll be exactly listed what funnel it is. This will populate right here, which funnel, and then I have all the metrics associated with it. Save time and results by using We Got You CRM. Start crafting yours now and transform the way you connect with your audience.